Look at all of these movies. What do they have in common? They're different genres, different styles, different actors, different directors. They're not all good, definitely not all bad. Still not sure? Let's look more closely. Start with this film. It's not the music, it's not the animation or graphics. No, it's something much more simple than that. Rewind a bit. There it is. The title. All of these movies have a title unique to its film. Some people might wonder, why does that matter? If you're one of these people, then you're not seeing the bigger picture. A movie's title says a lot about a film. To some, it may even mean actually going to see it or not. Who wants to see a movie that you can't pronounce? Or a movie that you lose your breath when you try to say it? Or on the flip side, seeing an intriguing title may make you want to see that movie even more. A lot of thought goes into the title of a film, and most often it is changed many times before a final release. Take Star Wars, Return of the Jedi, for example. It was originally going to be called Blue Harvest. Back to the Future 2 was originally going to be called Paradox.
You mean the future? Whatever!
And Pulp Fiction was originally going to be called Black Mask. Imagine how different these films would be based on the title alone.
On all sides.
But what do the creators of a film think about when they're making a title? What makes a title good or bad? A bad title could be something misleading. Try this quiz. What do you think these movies are about? Okay. Now here's what they are really about. The question, though, is not whether the title matches the film, but if it is a good title for the film. Now how about movies that you can't pronounce? We'll start easy.
We have nice sea bass today.
Beauty.
Now try this one.
As the world forgets you, as you recognize your transient.
Give this one a try. If you can't even say what the movie is, what are the odds you will go to see it? A movie title can be bad if it's too long as well. Even if the title is intriguing, it may still deter people from seeing it and make the film less memorable. It could also do the opposite if it is a comedy, and that's what they're going for in this movie. Another large factor in a bad movie title can be one that isn't intriguing at all. The movie could be amazing, but with a bad title, everyday moviegoers may never see it. Or if the title of the film is so bad or ridiculous, people forgo them altogether. But enough about bad. What makes a film title good? Is it a place?
Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon and for the rest of your life.
A name? Or even just a couple of letters? Perhaps it's just something that makes you think. We are driven by our first impressions in relationships, so this must be the same in the film world. If we see an attractive movie title, it makes us lean towards watching it more. The most famous and most profitable films have all had short titles. This can't be a coincidence. People are drawn to something shorter. So the next time you're thinking about going to see a movie, try this experiment. Don't look up the synopsis on your phone. Don't check the rating before the show. Don't look at posters or trailers. Go to the box office, look up and pick a movie based on its title and see what you find. You may find yourself enjoying whatever the movie may be, even more based on perception. Ask yourself why you have made this decision. What draws you to this title over another? After all, that is what going to the movies is all about, isn't it? Surprise and entertainment.